Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plan a study schedule for medical students. First, assess your individual learning style and identify your current knowledge gaps. This foundational step helps tailor your approach. Next, establish clear, measurable study goals for each academic block or upcoming examination. Finally, strategically allocate dedicated time slots for attending lectures, reviewing material, and actively engaging with practice questions. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and efficient learning. When structuring your week, divide it into distinct blocks, dedicating specific times to different subjects. This prevents burnout and ensures balanced coverage. Crucially, integrate active recall and spaced repetition into your daily routine. These methods significantly enhance long-term retention. Remember to schedule short, restorative breaks, perhaps every 50 to 90 minutes, to maintain optimal focus and prevent mental fatigue throughout your study sessions. Consistency is key here. For effective daily study, always begin by reviewing material from the previous day for about 15 minutes. This reinforces learning. Next, prioritize tackling high-yield topics and your most challenging concepts early in your study session when your mind is freshest. Crucially, dedicate at least 2 hours every single day to practice questions. This active engagement is vital for solidifying understanding and preparing for examination formats, ensuring you apply what you learn. Finally, remember that flexibility is paramount. Regularly assess your progress and be prepared to adjust your study schedule as needed, perhaps every 2 to 4 weeks, based on your performance and evolving understanding. It is also essential to integrate one full day off each week for rest, rejuvenation, and personal activities. This prevents burnout and maintains overall well-being, ensuring you stay fresh and motivated throughout your demanding medical studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.